All right, so I'm starting from a point where everything's already taken apart. So watch that other video, you'll get to this point. What you're gonna have is the adapter, and I've already got the bolts set here. I have two of these plugs pushed in these bolt holes to hold the bolts in place, and I'll show you why in a second, and a little piece of tape over top. You can just leave the tape on there, it's not a big deal. You've got your light with the stock wiring and the bullet connectors, right? First thing you do is put it on like that. You got the Phillips head M6 bolts. I just drop those down in, shake them around. Come on. Okay, they drop down. Tighten them up, and all I do is you feel it bite down, right? That washer, that lock washer collapses. You can use Loctite by all means. I'd probably use blue, but you can feel them like they seat, and the lock washers should hold it in place. So there's a little groove here, and that's where that goes. Now the next thing to do is take off these nuts, and now you have the bolts sticking out. And the reason why these plugs are in there is because these would move back and forth, right? So now that's wedged in there, and these aren't going anywhere. So now all you do is fish the wires through, and you probably can't see this, but you know what I'm doing. Fish the wires through. Reset that. I'm gonna hold this differently because I gotta look and get it through. Come on. Bada boom, bada bing. Got it. Come on. Oh, you're almost there. I'm not restarting the video. There we go. Okay. Boom. They're through. Washers. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Forgot the other lock washer, which this is just for instruction, but whatever. So got those both on there, hand tight, right? And what I do is just kind of let it sit flat. Boom. This is a 7/16. Hand tight. You can see the lock washers collapse, and that's it right there, right? So now you've got that done. The next thing to do is take these, which are the lower fender washers, put the fender back on. You've got the two bolts up here, put the fender on. You put the lower fender washer bolts here, so then the fender's back on the bike, right? Then I put the license plate on first, because it's gonna go like this. I put the license plate on first because you can still get to these, and it's easier to do it first with the license plate because you'll be able to get to these. Put the license plate on, secure everything down, and then take these off. Take the rubber grommets out, obviously, or maybe not. Yeah, take them out. I take them out. So put this on, secure that down, put the bike back on, or put the fender back on the bike, connect it up, and that's literally it. It is super simple. Anyhow.